Hi everyone, we're rolling. Yeah, I'm still feeling it, but I'm getting stronger and I'm living the dream. I'm having woken on home territory. I'm in a nice little place. I'm not totally settled yet. I've still got to sort out my base and stuff, but I'm well on my way. I feel amazing really. So yes, so this is for the Instagram. No, this is for YouTube. So I haven't given you a really you can do a meditation anywhere. Just sit, get into the moment, palms up, get into your breathing. Yeah, you're Christ conscious, isn't you? Christ was a prophet. He told them all, didn't he? He told the Jews, didn't he? I didn't like him, did they? Yeah, well in my eyes, because it's the body, yeah? The body doesn't lie. The heart definitely doesn't. Because you've got chakras that run through your body. You can get in touch with them. You can get in touch with your heart, the body. Yes, it's the head, the ego that lies and cheats and steals here. But they don't teach us this stuff at school. We've been lied to. They've been keeping secrets from us. It's time you all woke up. You are empowered, you're enlightened. You are a spiritual, dimensional, enlightened being. You always have been. The realisation you're enlightened. It's all it is. It's just the realisation. You already know all this stuff. You know the magic. You know the water's quantum. You can get the free energy out of the water. They keep it a secret from you. They buy the patents. They keep you enslaved. Get you running up that hill backwards. And they're so into their greed that they can't even see what they're doing. It's horrific. I'm getting back to the true value. The people have the true value. Yes, we can have our money back. We can have our properties back to the true value. It was never... I'm not going to go into detail. Yeah, there's far more educated men out there than me. I'm just a simple fella who has become enlightened because I understand the true value. The children are our future. The children are the free energy. The children are the water engineering. The children are the inner engineering. We have messed up. It's not our fault. They lied to us. Margaret Thatcher lied to you. Yeah, she bought you by giving you a house and giving you this, giving you your businesses, this, that and the other. But it was all a lie and a cheat. It was all cheating and stealing. Yes, you paid for it with your pensions and everything else. You paid for it in the long run, you're paying for it now. It's inflation. They don't tell you it's inflation, this is another tax. Oh, am I going on a bit? I just wanted to tell you that we are the people. Together we are empowered. Now we are empowered. I've come to the now. You've come to the now. You are awake. Together we are unstoppable because we have the rose. Yes, the rose is the same as every other rose, but nature gives it experience. Yes, the birds visit, the nature visits it, the weather visits, and it has experience. It makes the rose unique. You are perfect the same as everybody else, but you have experience, a different experience to everyone else. It makes you happy. If you mess it all up and poison yourself, don't be blaming anybody else, innit? You chose, you get the choice. Choose well-being and free energy, abundant growth, unlimited possibilities. The dark side is limited, isn't it? It's slavery, it's despair. If you choose freedom and well-being, it is unlimited. We're going back to the moon. We're going back to Mars. We need to get off planet, don't we? Because we're vulnerable here. We've done amazing. Yes. We can be less vulnerable if we can get out into space, get to the moon, get to Mars, go Star Trekking. Can you see how abundant that is? You don't have to worry about overpopulation if we're populating the bloody stars, do you? You don't have to, the monsters are putting, they're trying to point, there's monsters out there, vampires, trying to blow you all up. Don't let them. I think I've said enough. I just wanted to put something out. I'm having a rest day today. I'm living the dream. Have an amazing day. Up in energy to happy. All I'm asking is for people to get to happy. The good energy is back. When you are happy, your immune system is happy. Your immune system is at its peak. You don't get ill when your immune system is at its peak. It's when you're depressed. When the monsters enslave you and beat you up with all their negativity, poisoning you here, there and everywhere. It's no wonder you get sick, isn't it? But you're on to it now, you're awake now, you're enlightened. You can get into the well-being with unlimited possibilities. Am I going on again? So I'm just going to put this out. Just stay tuned on Brian Smith's YouTube. I put something out most days just to get people to be happy, the good energy, the well-being, being awake, coming together as the people around the round table. Yeah, you can't bring anger into sanctuary. I got angry. I shot myself in the foot. They barred me, they banned me. Look what happened. I sort of got a little bit, I got myself a little infection, didn't I? That was because I got angry. You can't bring anger into sanctuary. You can say what you like in sanctuary, but as long as you leave the anger outside, because if you bring anger into sanctuary, it is no longer sanctuary, is it? So, as long as you're angry, you have to wait outside until you can sit round the round table. Well, anyway, look, I think I've said enough. We've got 9 minutes. So, love to you all. Gratitude for helping me. You've been amazing. I'm looking forward to getting some new clean clothes, haircut. Getting back to the real world again. I've been hiding out in the caves and along the rivers, haven't I? I've been hiding. But I'm back. I'm back in Woking. I'm back up in energy to happy. The good energy is back. I love Woking. We are Woking. We are world leaders in democracy and water engineering and the well-being. Love to you all. Thank you. See you soon.